Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset camera in Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. First you need to open the camera app on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top right. And then click on the settings icon. Here scroll down. And as can we see, we can restore default settings on our camera. Click on it, then click on the restore camera default settings. Yes, click on it. Okay. And click on the arrow back. And here we can see welcome to the camera. This all. Click on the allow. Click on the OK. Good, it's all. Goodbye.